Hi everyone, welcome to the Secure for Oracle database. In today's lecture I will show you how to unlock HR schema. A schema is a fancy name of user. You can call the schema or user the same. It's a set of objects, set of tables, views, indices that belong to this account. So when we install the Oracle database 19, it has HR schema, but this HR schema is locked, so we need to find the place for HR schema within the database, and then we unlock that, and then we run our queries. So what is the query? It consists of a single command. What is a script? It's just a file with a bunch of queries. So go for search. You'll have SQL Plus. It came with the download of Oracle database 19. That's gonna connect to our database. We use SQL plus / as SYSDBA. Have to set the password. Okay, now I am connected to Oracle database 19. You have to set your username and password, the one that we created in the previous video when we install Oracle database. And then after we connect, I'm going to use show container name semicolon. So show container name. So we have two types of containers. This one CDB, this container database root. This container is only for operation system and for system admin. It didn't have the HR, so we need to find the place that we find the HR, and then we unlock that. Show, use select name, open mode underscore mode from the $, pluggable databases semicolon. Select name, this is the name, open mode from this V for view, all pluggable databases. We have two type of databases. One is called container, one is called pluggable database. So the HR is within this pluggable database. Within the pluggable database we have pluggable database seed, this is only for read, and we have Oracle pluggable database, this for read and write. Oracle pluggable database, this one that they archive the HR on this sub database. We have to connect to this sub database, and then we unlock the HR. So alter session set container equal to Oracle pluggable database semicolon. Session altered, that means we change from the root container database root into the Oracle pluggable database. And now we have to show container name semicolon. You can see we are connected to the Oracle pluggable database. Okay, now we are connected. Now we can run to unlock our HR schema. So to do that, the Oracle database have manual installation for HR schema. I'm gonna leave the link in the download in the description below. Okay, we connected to our database as system admin, and then we have to take this number 2. We have to give him the path for the HR main. Click on the path and click him here, click yes. This is for, I'm gonna make it bigger. So this is you have to set the password for your HR schema. I'm gonna keep it same as HR, so the password is the same as the schema name, HR, easy for me to remember. You have to set your table name. Before you set I'm gonna click Ctrl C. I'm gonna show you how to know your table spaces. So you can use select table space name. Okay, and status, contents from table database underscore table spaces semicolon. So select table space name, status, and contents from database table spaces from all the databases, the tables within the database. You can see from here. So now we will start to unlock, and I will show you why I have to show you these table spaces. Let's go back to the first command. Okay, now I'm gonna put the HR. So specify default table spaces for HR as parameter 2. So you have to specify default table spaces. The default table spaces, I'm gonna give it with users. This is permanent. Okay, so you have to keep it with users. Click OK. And the third step, specify temporally table spaces. For temporally table spaces, you have temp. This is for temporally, and this is permanent. We need the second one, the default table spaces. This one for permanent, but the temporally you have to give it for temp. So just write temp. Okay. And now we have to give him the path for the log. So when you write any comment, all this log we will save in the file. So you have to save it with your desktop. For example, I'm gonna go back to my C. I name it the folder HR. Okay, so you have to give him the path C, and then I have back here, give him the back, and then I have to give him also the name of the folder. So we can go back, rename, take the copy, and then pass it here. Okay, click OK. So now SQL procedure successfully completed. Okay, you come back to the Oracle page. We set the first one. Okay, we set the second one, we set the third one. We don't need to do the fourth one. We just did it when we set the system admin password when we installed the Oracle database. And in here he said if you want to check, so I was gonna select table name from user tables, this one to ensure we just unlock the HR or not. Okay, so now we have, this is all the tables within our database. So this is all the table spaces. You can just understand the table spaces is like a folder within the schema. This folder is the name. For example, you have department, we have employee data. In the department you will have the information for department. In the employee we have the information for the employee. So you can use each table space that belong, and all these table spaces at the end is belong to the HR schema. Within these table spaces you will have all the data that belong, for example, to a specific department, employees, and this is how to unlock the HR schema. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.